Morning, this is what we're doing today. We're taking this fan out and I'm going to show you how to just take it out. The technical name for this is removus of fluus from rufus. So let's get to it. Let's do it. We have one new tile. Actually, we'll do two because that edge is broken. Two new tiles. This one off. Tile in there. And second pile in there. Okay, so that's how we do it. We just simply take the flue out and we replace it with tiles. Now we did check that water is going to land on that tile, so that's the underside of that tile's okay. We only replaced this tile here because if you look at the underside of that tile, it's broken away, so it would leak. Water got in between. Apart from that, we're all done. We've just got to take everything down, and that is how simple it is to take out a flue.